my country. I'm African. Is Africa country. No one gonna go. No one gonna go.
So that is what just occurred in KZN. These are like foreigners who, the parents who have children who are trying to get placement for their children, and there is this back and forth fighting, over who should be getting placement there. And these guys are saying, you know what, we are not going anywhere. South Africa is it's like our second home, we're not going anywhere. And we are here to get equal education, for all our kids and everybody. We should share like these resources. So this is what is happening out there. And most of the patriots, they're like, no, it shouldn't be like that. We should be the first ones to be getting the placement. Then foreigners who are not South Africans, should come second. But these guys are saying, you know what, we are not going anywhere. We are going to be sharing whatever resources are here. And they do have the documents to be in South Africa. Some of them, it's not like they're illegally in South Africa. So that is what is happening out there, and it's a complex issue, because it involves so many issues like human rights, equal rights, Ubuntu, Africans. It's very, very complicated an issue. I'll catch you guys on the next one.